Let's move on to the next round. So the name of this round is Krishna Ka Naam Anmol. Okay. So now in this round, I'll give you a preface. So we know Krishna was given a lot of names. See, we only found about 6 names in the last game. So he was given a lot of names because of the various incidents that took place in his life. Okay, so now we'll take a look at the incident that took place, and we have to guess what was Krishna's name in that particular incident. Okay, so the first question on your screen right now. Okay, the first incident is when Lord Krishna became the charioteer of Arjun. Okay, we all know, right, in Mahabharata, Lord Krishna was the charioteer of Arjun. Now this incident made sure that Krishna got a separate name for it. Okay, and your time starts now. You have to guess what was Krishna's name because he was the charioteer of Arjun. Okay, the time is up. Now I'll tell you what was the name. It was Parthasarathi. Okay, now do you know why his name was Parthasarathi? It is because Sarathi means someone who rides a chariot. Okay, so a charioteer is known as Sarathi, and Partha was another name for Arjuna. And since he was the charioteer of Arjuna, we'll call it as Parthasarathi. Okay. So now we have learned Krishna had a name known as Parthasarathi. Okay. And that was because he was the charioteer of Arjuna. Okay. Let's move on to the next question. Okay. Now this is the incident from where Yashoda Mata had tied Lord to the mortar. Okay. Can you see the mortar on the picture? It is this brown color mortar. And Yashoda Mata had tied Lord Krishna to the mortar. And because of this, he landed a separate name for it. Now you have to guess what was that name. And your time starts now. And your time's up. His name was Damodar. Now, do you know why he was called Damodar? That is because Dam, the Sanskrit word, means a rope. Okay? And Udara means the belly. So the literal meaning is rope around the belly, and that's why he was called as Damodar. Okay? Let's move on to the next question, and that is when Lord Krishna lifted the Govardhan mountain. You remember the story when he lifted the whole mountain on his little tiny pinky finger? Okay, so now you have to guess this name. Okay, and your time starts now. Okay, he was called as Giridhari. Okay, and why was he called Giridhari? You know, because Giri means mountain and Dhari someone who lifts it. Okay, that is why he was called Giridhari, because he lifted the mountain. Okay, so next, let's move on to the next question, and that is when Lord Krishna was the protector of the cows. Can you see all the cows in here? And Lord Krishna was the protector of them. So this incident, it realized that he had a different name too for this. And your time starts now. You have to guess the name. he was called as Gopala. Okay. Now Go is no, the Sanskrit word Go means cows, and Pala is someone who is a protector. So because he was the protector of cows, he was called as Gopala. Okay. Let's move on to the next question. That is, what was the name that was given to Lord Krishna when Lord Krishna killed the demon Keshi? Okay, the demon that you can see on the screen, his name is Keshi. Okay, now King Lord Krishna killed him, and you have to guess what was the name which was given to him. Okay, your time starts now. Okay, so he was called as Keshava because he was the slayer of the demon Kesha. Okay, let's move on to the next question. When Lord Krishna played the flute, he was given a specific name for this. Okay, I want you all to guess what was this name. Okay. Your time's up. Lord Krishna was called as Murlidhar, okay? Now, if you've written Bansidhar or Vamshidhar, anything is fine. All the answers are correct. You can either write it as Murlidhar, or you can write it as Bansidhar, or you can write it as Vamshidhar. All the three answers are correct. Okay? Let's move on to the next thing. Congratulations! We've reached the third level of friendship with Krishna. We have now all Sarupya. That is, we all resemble Krishna. Okay, you, I, everybody, we all resemble Krishna. Okay, let's move on to the next round. Okay, now this is a special round. Okay, now this round's name is Guess the Form. Now we all know Lord had taken various forms in various places across India. Okay, I'll give you one example. Have you all heard of Banke Bihari? Okay, this Banke Bihari is the form of Krishna in Vrindavan. Similarly, there are different forms of Krishna across different places in India. Okay, so I am going to show you a specific photo, and you have to guess the form as well as the place of the shrine. Okay. Now the first picture is on your screen. You have to guess the form as well as the place. Okay, and your time starts now. Carefully look at the picture and guess the form as well as the place. Okay, your time's up. Now this particular picture is of Vithala or Vithoba, as he's very playfully called as Vithoba. Okay, so this particular image is from Pandharpur. Okay, so he is known as Vithala, Panduranga, or very playfully as Vithoba in Pandharpur. Okay, so Krishna's particular form in this particular place is as Vithala in Pandharpur. Okay, now let's move on to the next form. You have to guess this particular form. You have to guess the form as well as the place. Okay, and your time starts now. Okay, your time's up. The answer is Jagannath in Puri. Okay, now Jagannath is another name of Krishna. It is his another form, And this place, which is Puri, it is located in Odisha. Have you heard of the state Odisha? Okay, this mandir, it's a very huge temple. It is very popular and it is a very, very pretty temple. Okay, and this particular temple is located in Odisha. And it is also known as Jagannath temple. Okay, let's move on to the next form of Krishna. Next question on your screen. You have to guess this particular form and the face. And your time starts now. Okay, your time's up. This temple is dedicated to Guru Vayurappan. Okay, it is located in Guruvayur, Kerala. Okay, it is also known as Bhuloka Vaikunta. Now, Bhuloka Vaikunta's meaning is it's a holy abode of Lord Krishna on earth. Okay, next form of Krishna on your screen is this one. And your time's up. The form of this particular Krishna is Srinathji in Nathdwara. Okay, this particular form is Srinathji and this is located in Nathdwara. Okay, let's move on to the next round. Now this is our final round. Okay, now you have to keep all your pens and paper in front of you because this is a very, very quick round. It is Krishna's rapid fire round. Okay, you cannot be slouchy in this. You don't have time for it. I want everybody with their back straight, just like me. Okay, everybody straight. Okay, I'll be unleashing hot steaming questions at you all and you won't have much time. You just have 10 seconds for 10 different questions. Are you all ready for it? Okay, so let's move on to Krishna's rapid fire round. And your time starts now. Whose charioteer was Shri Krishna in Mahabharata? Quickly write it down, quickly. Quickly. Arjuna. So what was Shri Krishna's weapon? You don't have much time. Quick. Be quick. It was Sudarshan Chakra. Okay. How do people greet each other in Vrindavan? Okay. You can have multiple answers for this. Quickly. Okay. It is Radhe Radhe, Radhe Krishna and Jai Shri Krishna. Okay. What did Shri Krishna's mother see when he opened his mouth after eating mud? Quickly. The entire universe. Okay. What was Lord Krishna's army referred as? It was referred as Narayani Sena. Okay. Now we have done with 5 questions. We have 5 more left. What did Sudama carry when he decided to meet Lord Krishna? He had carried something along with him, you know. What was that? Quick, you're running out of time. Fast. It was puffed rice, or in Hindi we call it as poha. Okay. Krishna was the 8th son of Vasudev and What was his mother's name? You have to write that quick. It was Devaki. According to our Puranas, Krishna's disappearance marks the end of which yuga? We've got 4 yugas, right? You have to write which one was it. It was the Dwapara Yuga. How many chapters does the Bhagavad Gita have? Is it 100, 100, 200? You just have to guess it and write. It was 18 chapters. Now, this is a trick question. You have to chant Krishna, Krishna, Krishna 21 times in 10 seconds. Quickly. Fast, 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 fast. Okay. So, congratulations. We have reached all the tiers of friendship. We have become Krishna. Okay. So, I'll just once again tell you all the levels of friendship. First is Salokya, that is Krishna is with you, Krishna is with me, Krishna is with everyone. The second one is Samipya, which is Krishna is very close to us. Okay. The third one is Sarupya, that is we resemble Krishna. We look like him, we resemble him. And the last one is we become Krishna. Okay. I hope you all loved and enjoyed the quiz as much as I did while conducting it. Hari Om.